Strawberry? Okay, thank you. Here's your cheese. Bye-bye. Hello, what would you like to buy? Chocolate cake. That would be 2 ice creams, okay? Thank you. Here's a chocolate cake for you. Bye-bye. Hello, what would you like to buy? One, two, three. How many? 1, 2, 2. Okay, that would be 1 strawberry, please. Thank you. Here's your oranges. Bye-bye. Hello, what would you like to buy? That would be 1 strawberry and 1 cake, please. 1 strawberry and a cake. Thank you. Here's your cake. Bye-bye. Hello, what would you like to buy? Strawberry? That would be 1 ice cream, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, what would you like to buy? That would be 1 ice cream and 1 strawberry. Thank you. Here's your chocolate cake.